The idea behind this competition was to build a community of photographers. So the fun and games are over.
Okay, guys, decision has to be taken.
9 talented photographers from across India. Judging their photographs are 2 masters of their fields.
पर फ्लैश मारी है ना,
हाँ जी
इसलिए थोड़ी फ्लैट हो गई.
The theme that you had gone there for, that got left behind a little bit.
Even with Dilwalon Ki Dilli as their playing ground, getting the perfect shot is anything but a walk in the park.
लाइट भी कम हो चुकी है. मालूम नहीं मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ आगे.
मैंने जितना आसान सोचा था उतना आसान था नहीं ये टास्क.
And the journey to finale is not a straight road.
There is a twist in the tale. The winner of the grand finale is...
Watch the first episode of No Filter by IndiGo on National Geographic and Disney Plus Hotstar.